Hey guys, John here, Vaporontic Technology today. Wanted to show off a really quick pressure dry blast application. This is a customer cleaning engine parts, specifically automotive engine parts. This is a valve cover off of a Ford engine. What we're doing is we are cleaning, removing the coating from this part because they are going to be reapplying a new coating. And of course, if it's a coating prep application and you're not worried about specifically damaging the substrate and you need a lot of speed, that's where pressure dry blast is going to come in. There are so many different factors to take into account when you are looking at purchasing dry blasting or wet blasting. There's so many different factors: noise, dust, media embedment, process time, cleaning time, abrasive lifespan, consumables like gloves, windows. All of those things have to be taken into account when you're trying to figure out a blasting process within your business or as your hobby. And that's what we're good at. We're here to help you. One of the things that we've done this year is we've implemented an entire dry blasting equipment line on top of all the wet blasting and high pressure parts washing that we do. There's many reasons. So many people have asked for dry blasting from us. We've oftentimes told them to go somewhere else, but what we do now is we're just offering it all. So you could buy a wet cabinet, a dry cabinet, and a parts washer from us, depending on what size machine you need. And again, many other processing parameters and concerns that you might have is going to determine what you buy, whether it's wet blast, dry blast, parts washer. But in this specific example, we want speed and we want to remove coating and we want to prep for new coating. We're using a 40 to 70 grit abrasive right now, and I'm going to show you just how stupid fast this is. It's extremely fast and it's eye-opening. You're not going to get a beautiful finish. I know a lot of you guys watching this channel, you've been watching it for a long time. We've been doing wet blasting, tons of wet blasting, right? You're never gonna get the finish with a dry blast that you can in wet. But we're not worried about that right now. So we're gonna throw this in, we're gonna rip this thing to shreds, get it ready for some coating. So here we go. We just process this for a few seconds. You can see how crazy fast this is. It really does blow my mind when it comes to processing speed. Again, we're really aggressive right now. This is 40 to 70 mesh, a very sharp angular abrasive here that we're using, and we're prepping this for paint. So we need a good anchor profile for the coating to properly adhere to. And that was the only concern with this specific customer, was to get the part clean and ready for the new coating and as fast as possible. That's what they wanted. So this is it. You can see how fast this part was literally being wiped away of this coating. And I'm telling you, some of these factory coatings are stuck really well. So it's impressive how fast and aggressive this is. But that's what dry blasting is good for. That's what it's about. This process has been around forever. Look, it's not the cleanest, it's not the quietest, and it cannot give you beautiful finishes, but it can do work. I mean, I'm telling you right now, this cabinet right here, or any of the other machines in dry, they will do work. You do need, in my opinion, if you're an industrial user or a heavy user, you need an abrasive reclamation system and you need a good dust collector. We sell those. Those are spec'd out on the website. You can check out all the different pricing. I would recommend getting a cabinet with a reclamation system and a dust collector. Some people skimp, do dust collectors only. I don't recommend that. Some people try to put their own dust collection system on. I don't recommend that either. We've paired these things specifically with each other. Again, I will sell it and the sales team will sell it however you want it as the customer. I mean, at the end of the day, you're the customer and you decide, but this is what we recommend, and it's for the reason that we set it up properly this way. But hope you enjoyed this video. Put some comments below if you want to see something in the future, something for us to blast. Maybe you have some parts that you want us to try out. If you have a trial processing need, we do that for free. In our showroom, we have all of these different machines with many different types of abrasive in them. That's what we're here for. So if you do like what you see, make sure you check us out on all of our other social media platforms. Like our channels, subscribe to our channels, and always comment. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.